People, welcome to day 28 of this 30-day challenge. Today we are going to automate the movement of a subscriber from chatbot to our emailing marketing system, which is Builderall Mailingboss. So yesterday we have the subscriber information getting saved in a Google Sheet that we automated yesterday. Now we're going to move that information into the email marketing system. What are the email marketing system you might use? We have a tool called Zapier, Z-A-P-I-E-R, which we're going to automate this whole stuff. And you can do a hell lot of magical stuff with the Zapier tool, which I'm going to show you. And we'll check how we're going to do it in my computer. Let's do it right away. Alright guys, here we are on my computer and I am inside my Mailingboss. So this is the list I chose because there are no subscribers as of now. So let's populate this subscriber list from the Google Sheet, which we're going to automate using Zapier. So this I created long back ago. I don't want to waste time by creating another list. If you haven't, if you still don't know how to create a list, go back to the previous lecture where we have created and learn a deep how to create a mailing list and create the subscribers and automatically send the emails. So this is where we're gonna save it. I don't have any subscriber, it's 0 now. So let's go to Zapier. This is called Zapier tool, which I've been talking to you, which I told you just before. So you have a hell lot of integrations which you can make and automate everything you can automate, and some of them are free integrations and some of them are paid integrations. And your imagination is your limitation. You can do anything. So this is where the real magic happens in the internet marketing system. So for this we're going to use Google Sheets and Mailingboss. So we're gonna connect this both where Zapier acts as a middle. So all those stuff which we work on this Zapier are called zaps. So we're going to make a zap now. Let's click on this, and it has given me, because I've already previously worked on this, it is showing me would you like to connect again Manychat and Google Sheet, which I'm going to show you from basic level. I'm going to go back. So I went back to home, and what I need to connect is Manychat. Sorry, not Manychat, it's Google Sheet. Google Sheet is a place where we have saved my name yesterday, the email information, right? So we're going to connect it with the Builderall Mailingboss. So it got a lot of integrations which you can play with it, but let's stick to what we are doing now. So what should happen and when should happen? When a new row is inserted or updated in the spreadsheet, then add a lead into the list. So when a new row inserted, I want this person details to be subscribed into mailing list. So let's create a zap. Click on this. Now my Google Sheets are already connected to this one. If you're creating for the first time, just connect your Google account. It will read the Google Sheets. So I'm going to click on test. Perfect, it's connected to my Google Sheet. Now let's save and continue. So it will be asking spreadsheets. So yesterday we have created the spreadsheet called Builderall Test, and we have created the columns as well. So the column should be read from sheet 1 of this spreadsheet. So it will populate all the columns that are already available in the Google Sheet. So let's leave like this only, any column. Even if any column is updated or inserted, I want that to be triggered. So because no one is going to update or edit that sheet except the Manychat, which we have automated yesterday. Now let's continue. Okay, it's pulling the rows. Now let's look. Yesterday we have inserted this stuff. Now it has got the details, because I'm going to show you the Excel sheet. It has only one record yesterday that we have inserted. This is the details that it has pulled. Yesterday we have inserted into this one Google Sheet, right? So this Zapier has pulled those details, and let's click on continue. So the next step is we're going to connect it to the Builderall Mailingboss. Click on this. I want the lead to be added into list. So continue. Now my Builderall Mailingboss is already connected to this. So when you connect for the first time, it will actually ask you the integration key. For this, you need to go to menu here in the Mailingboss. Click on the menu, and here you got integration key. This one is the integration key. Copy this whole code and paste it here, so that your Mailingboss account will be connected. So once it's connected, we're going to test it. The connection is done successfully. Alright, save and continue. Now, what are the details we're going to save here? So, we're going to pull the Excel sheet, the email stored in the Excel sheet. So, we're going to map it email to email. This is the Excel sheet email, and we are going to map it to the Builderall email address, the list field. So name is optional, but anyhow we got first name and last name, so we're gonna make, I guess, first name. So to which list it should add actually. So we have multiple bills, multiple lists. So paid survey is the list, but actually it is actually this recruiting survey. This is a paid survey that I have created, and I don't know why it's showing it as another name. So let's click on paid survey. So I don't want to add any tag, and I want the status to be confirmed. Like when the person has added to the list, it should be in a confirmed status. Now let's click on continue. So this details will be inserted into the this recruiting survey that we are mapping. So send test to Builderall Mailingboss. Let's click on this. Now one row has been successfully added. Now let's go back and click on refresh. Now one subscriber is added. Click on this, check the details. It's image.imageshitty@gmail.com. Now what we're going to do is, let's click on the finish and activate this Zap. Let's give it a name, Zapier Builderall, and activate this. So once this is done, the Zap is done. So what happens is, the Zapier will scan this Excel sheet for every 15 seconds and check if there is any record inserted. So once it is inserted, this Zap will be triggered, and the details will be stored into this subscriber list. So let's go and add manually. So what you want to do is John Smith, some sample name, John Smith @gmail.com. So now a new record is added, and this should fire a trigger for every 15 seconds. Now let's go and check if it really added the record or not. Now let's go and refresh. So it's not yet added. Let's wait for some time. Right, so a new record has been added into this subscriber list, but it's added in the blacklist. Maybe johnsmith@gmail.com is a blacklisted email ID. So that's it, and let's go to Zapier and we'll check what we can do. If your Zapier doesn't work automatically, the events doesn't fire, what you're gonna do is go to Zap section, click on the Zap that you have created, Zapier Builderall, click on this and run. So it will be manually run. So since there are only 2 records, it couldn't find any new items, so it's showing the error. So if you go and check the integrations, the chatbots have become very successful because of the tools like Zapier and Integromat. So Integromat is another tool that this Manychat has maybe got tie up with, or I don't know, but if you go with Integromat, you don't need to add an Excel sheet as a middle layer where you can connect a trigger event in the Integromat as soon as you have email ID saved, or the email ID given by the subscriber. So Integromat is similar to Zapier, but Zapier has got a lot of integrations. So I want you to go and play with this Zapier, and you will become, it's like putting your chatbot on steroids, and you can do a lot of magical stuff. So that's it about the automation. And you can also automate on the subscriber list. Subscriber is added to your mailing list. You can send a confirmation email or a sequence of emails that you can set up, and you can run any email campaign. So that's it for today, guys, and we're gonna work tomorrow on the blogging section that we have left. Now we have connected all the systems to our website, so we're gonna work and finish off the final touches to our blog. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. People, welcome to day 28 of this 30-day challenge. Today we are going to automate the movement of subscriber from chatbot to our emailing marketing system, which is Builderall Mailingboss. So yesterday we have the subscriber information getting saved in a Google Sheet that we automated yesterday. Now we're going to move that information into the email marketing system. What are the email marketing system you might use? We have a tool called Zapier, Zapier, which we're going to automate this whole stuff. And you can do a hell lot of magical stuff with the Zapier tool, which I'm going to show you, and we'll check how we're going to do it in my computer. Let's do it right away.